In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to support video titles fast and easy. When you're crafting video titles, it's essential to understand what your audience is interested in. And Google Trends is a fantastic tool for that. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll first need to access Google Trends. Open your browser, head over to Google, and simply type in Google Trends. You'll want to click on the first link that appears to take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. This is where you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal to explore trending topics that can truly elevate your content creation process. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the Explore option. A click here will transition you to more detailed trend insights. In the search bar provided, input the topic or keyword related to your video. This could range from something like iPhone 16 review, if you're diving into tech reviews, to home workout for those focusing on fitness, or even side hustles, if your niche leans towards finance. Once you've entered your desired keyword, hit Enter to pull up the comprehensive data sets related to it. Now, it's time to refine the data with some filters to match your specific needs. You have the option to adjust your search by location, which could be as broad as your country or as specific as your city or state. This refinement will aid in aligning the data more closely with your local audience. Additionally, consider setting the time range. You could focus on the past 12 months for a better sense of ongoing interest, or zero in on the past 30 or 90 days to catch on to emerging trends. When it comes to the category, pick one that aligns well with your content theme, such as health or medical health. This helps in filtering out unrelated information. Typically, selecting web search will suffice, but if your content is centered around current events or regulations, news search can offer some fresh insights. With your filters in place, take a moment to examine the interest over time graph. This is your window into the ebb and flow of search interest patterns. Steady upward trends here denote opportunities for consistent viewership, while sudden spikes might present chances for timely, viral content. To further enhance relevance, delve into adjusting the regional and category filters. This ensures your video title isn't just trending in general, but resonates well with your audience. Don't overlook the Related Queries and Topics section. It's a treasure trove for spotting rising or breakout queries, offering inspiration based on current search behaviors. Lastly, consider comparing multiple keywords. Click on the plus compare button to test different keyword options against each other. This comparison allows you to assess which keyword maintains the highest and most consistent interest levels, setting you up to make an informed choice on a video title that will truly connect with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Google Trends to choose video titles that are not only interesting but also data-driven and strategically aligned with audience interests.